For select Vitamix containers. Not compatible with Ascent Series containers. Use to loosen and remove old blade assembly and install new blade assembly. Country of origin, United States. Replacement wrench for select Vitamix machines. Not compatible with Ascent or Venturist machines. Use to loosen and remove old blade assembly and install new blades assembly. For select Vitamix containers. Not compatible with Ascent Series containers. Used to loosen and remove old blade assembly and install new blade assembly. Country of origin, United States. Top reviews from the United States. I needed this Vitamix wrench to reseat the blade assembly in my new 32-ounce wet container I got from Amazon Warehouse Deals. I needed to order this Vitamix wrench to reseat the blade assembly in the 32-ounce wet container I literally just bought through Amazon Warehouse Deals. The container was new, but as soon as I washed it, the water all ran out the bottom. I could tell the blade wasn't seated correctly. Could be why it was cheaper via AWD. I saved a lot of money buying the container via AWD, and at first glance the container looked absolutely new fine. However, when I added water, it all came gushing out the bottom, in the sink, of course. Lol. I took a close look at the container bottom and noticed that the blade assembly was not properly seated into the bottom, creating gaps in the bottom. In order to correct this situation properly, this Vitamix wrench is a must-have and inexpensive to boot. So, since I was already planning to order the wrench at some point, to go with the Vitamix 7500 I just bought for us for Christmas, I went ahead and ordered it now. As soon as it arrived, I very easily removed the bottom of the container, removed the blade assembly, examined both to make sure there was no damage from when it was installed incorrectly, and put it all back together. Bam! I now have a brand new 32-ounce wet container for an Amazon Warehouse Deals price.